Hi guys, my name is Azaz Ali Shah and today we are going to learn about spinner. But first of all, I want to tell you that what is a spinner. Spinner is a top-down menu which you guys have noticed that on filling the applications or filling the online forms that we have an option that please select your nationality, and when you click on date button, we there are too many options listed for nationalities like Pakistani, Indian, British, Cypriot, etc. So our today's tutorial is spinner, and for this purpose I already opened my project and I g- gave it a name spinner tutorial. So first of all we will create our design, and after this we will move to coding part. So guys, let's start. So first of all I can change layout to linear, and here I can write the orientation is vertical. I can write here orientation and that will show me. So I can write it vertical, and this is my text view. So I can change its message as please choose your nationality. Please choose your nationality, and I can convert it into string. So just press Alt enter and then press enter, and I can give it a name nation string. So just click OK. After this I need a spinner, but before move I can give it some margin, and I can give it a margin 7 dp. After this I need one spinner, so I can create a spinner here, and I can give it with match underscore parent, and height I can give it a rape underscore content, and I can give it a ID, like I can give it a ID my spinner. So after this I can close it, and after this I need two buttons. One is for submit, and the other one is for reset. So I can create two buttons here with his mate parent, height its rep content. I can give a text to submit and just change it into string. So string name I can give it submit button string, and I can give it an ID because I will use it in my Java. So I can give it an ID, and ID is submit button. So after this I need one more button which is for reset. So I can copy it and paste it into here. Sorry, I can copy the whole. I can copy it and paste it into here, and I can change the ID to reset button, and here I can create a string. So I can write reset, and when it will show me warning I can convert it into string. So just press Alt enter, and I can give it a name reset button string. So guys, you can see that my design is done. Basically what my application will do, there you can see that here I have a drop down menu. When I will click on it, it will show me different nationalities like Pakistani, Indian, Turkish, Cypriot. So when you will click on any option and you will click on submit, I need here one text view that it will show me that your nationality is like, if I click on Pakistani, it will show me that your nationality is Pakistani. So for this purpose I can create here one more text view, and height with his mate parent, height is rap content. I can give it a text like, first it will show me that your info will be shown here. So after this I can convert it into string. So for string I can give it the name info string, and I'm going to give it an ID because I will use this text view in my Java. So I can give it a name info text. So now my design is done. So I'm going to write my coding for Java. So let's move to Java and see how can we write coding for it. First of all, I need a spinner, so I can write here spinner, and it will show me a pop-up message. Okay, I clicked here, and its library is added here. So the spinner name I can give it a name my spinner or anything. So I gave it a name my spinner. After this there I have two buttons, one is for submit and the other one is for reset. So first button I can create submit button, and the second one I can create as reset button. And after this I need one text view, so I can create a text view, and I can give it a name info text or result text. So I have created my components. After this I have to connect my components with my XML. So I'm going to connect my components, so I can write my component name my spinner, and after that I will write find view by id r.id.my spinner, the name which I used in XML. So here I write my spinner. After that I have a button, I can write submit button equal to find view by id r.id.submit button. After this I have a reset button, so I'm going to connect it, and I can write find view by id r.id.reset button. And now text view is left, so I gave it a name info text. I can write as equal find view by id r.id.info text. So it's done. So my components are connected with my XML. So after this what I have to do, after this I need an array list where I will add my options. So let's go and create an array list. Here I can write a string, and I can give it a name like spinner array. Okay, I can give it a name spinner array equal to new array, and here I can write string. So after this I will add my options into array list. So how can I add? I will write spinner array dot add. So I will write spinner array dot add, and inside the brackets I will write the nationalities which I want to use in my application. So I can write Pakistani, I can write spinner array dot add, I can write what can I say, I can write Turkish, but I have to write in the commas, so I can write Turkish. After this, let me just copy it and paste it. So I pasted here. So after this I can write about Lebanese. I can write here Cypriot, and one more I want to add, so I think it's enough, so I can put here Cypriot. So after this I need an adapter which is holding my array list. So I will create an array adapter, and inside here I will write string. I will write here string, and I will give it a name adapter equal to new array adapter, new array adapter. And inside here between tags I can write string, and here I can write this. After that I can write android dot r dot layout, and I can write simple spinner, so it will show me yes the second option I can write here. You can see some or you can write anyone, but I'm going to write simple spinner item. And after this I need one more parameters, which is my spinner array, which is holding my components. So after this I will write here spinner array. Okay, I can move it to next line so you guys can see it easily. So after this here I can write adapter. So I can write here adapter dot set drop down view resource. Inside here I will write android dot r dot layout dot simple spinner drop down item. So after this I will set my spinner dot set. First I need to check what name I gave, so I gave a name my spinner, so I will write my spinner dot set adapter, and inside here I will write the adapter name, which array adapter I use. I gave it a name array adapter. So now my options are held with my spinner. So I'm going to run my application, and I'm showing you that how the all options are showing in my application. So I'm going to run my application, and when my application will be ready I will show you that's how it is showing. So guys, my application is running right now, and you can see that here it's showing all my options, all my nationalities. It's showing here. Wait until it shows me. You can see that it's showing all the nationalities: Pakistani, Turkish, Lebanese. Oh, I put Cypriot for 2 times. Yes, I put it for 2 times, so one time I can delete it. So when I will run my application next time, it will be okay. But the idea is you guys have got the idea that how can we put this in our application. But right now my submit button is not working, so now I'm going to write the coding for submit button, that when I will click on submit button it will show me that your nationality is Pakistani, or which nationality I will select, it will show me here that your nationality is British or Pakistani or Turkish, whatever. So now I'm going to write the coding for submit button and reset button. So basically what reset button will do, that when I will click on reset button, it will come to the first location, like as first option is Pakistani, it will come to the first one. So let's go and write the coding for button. So guys, here I can write coding for submit button. So I can write submit button dot set on click listener, and inside parentheses I can write new on click listener, and click on it view dot on click listener, and it will write the coding. And inside here I can write there when I will select an option and I click on submit, it will show me that you selected on for example, if I select Pakistani, it will show me that you selected Pakistani. So first of all I have to convert it into string. So I can convert my span option into string. So I created a string and I gave it a name string spin option. After this I can write, so I can write my spinner where until show dot get selected item dot to string. So I created a string which will check that which item is selected. So after that here I can write the coding for input text, that which option I have selected, it set it into input text. So inside here input text I can write that, I can write a message hi, or I can write your nationality is, and after this I can write spin option. Okay, until it's done, that if I click on Pakistani, it will show me a message that your nationality is, and spin option. If it's clicked by on Pakistani, it will show me Pakistani. If I clicked on Turkish, it will show me Turkish. So after that, now I'm going to write the coding for reset button, that when I will click on reset button, it will come to the default position. So I can write that reset button dot set on click new on click listener, and inside here I just have to write my spinner dot set selection 0. Basically you know that in programming counting starts from 0. 0 means the first option. If you want to you want that when you click on reset, it will show Turkish. So instead of 0 you have to write here 1. So we have showed the coding for submit on reset. So let's run the application and see how it's working. So guys, my application is ready now, and let's see how it's working. For example, if I click on Pakistani, which is already clicked, so and when I will click on submit, it will show me that your nationality is Pakistani. So for example, if now I clicked on Lebanese, it will, and I will click on submit, it will show me that your I think I then click on Lebanese. So if I click on Lebanese and I click on submit, it will show me that your nationality is Lebanese. So just click on Lebanese. So here it's showing me that your nationality is Lebanese, and when I will click on reset button, it will come to the default position. So just click on the reset and see it comes to the default position. But guys, one very important thing is left. For example, instead of here nationalities, we have to write age. There please select your age, and we have the ages option from 18 to 75. It's not a good idea that we put 1, we put 18, we put 19, and we put 20, 21, 22. It's not a good idea. So what can we do for this? So for this purpose, I'm going to explain that if we have to insert the ages from 18 to 75, what can we do for this purpose? So I can apply a for loop. So I can write her integer I equal 18, and I can write, if I want from 18 to 75, I can write I less than equal 75, and I is incrementing every time. So inside the for loop, I just have to write only one line, spinner array dot add, and inside here I have to write plus I. So now when I will run my application and I will click on the any option like 18 to 75, it will show me, and here I can change my message that your age is, and after this it will show me the option which I selected, and here I can also change my message that please choose your age. So after this I can run my application, and I will show you that how it's working. So let's wait until it's running on my device. My application is ready right now, and if I click here, you can see that it's showing me option from 18 to 75, and if you click on any option it will, and if you click on any option and just click on submit, it will show you that your age is 26. For example, if you click on 34, click on submit, it will show you that your age is 34. So when you will click on submit, it will go to its default state. So just click on reset, and the spinner has moved back to its default state. So guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I explained to you about how can we use spinner in our Android. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe my channel, and in the next video I will come with another interesting topic. So that's it for now. Bye bye guys, take care.